Okie dokie, super scientists. Now we have seen vocabulary, watched our video, and we got our materials ready. Before we move to your activity, I have one more question for you. Get your thinking brain on. Living and non-living things are different. How do you know? Look at this dog and look at this teddy bear. One's living and one is not. Let's ask our Cookie Monster questions to find out which one is living. Ready? First, the dog. Does that dog need food? Yes or no? Does the dog need water? Yes or no? Does that dog need air to breathe? Yes or no? What about a place to live and grow and stay safe from the storms? Does it need shelter and space? Yes or no? You got it. That dog is living. We know this because it's breathing, it needs food, it needs water, and it can grow. But now look at the teddy bear. Think, does that teddy bear need food? Yes or no? Does the teddy bear need water? Does that teddy bear grow and change? Is the teddy bear breathing? No to all of those questions. We know the teddy bear is not living because it has no needs. It has no what? Needs. No needs. Bravo. We can prove the dog is living because what does it need? Water, food, air, and space to grow and change. You got it. Now that you've reviewed the dog and teddy bear with me, let's go start your activity today. Our instructions tell us to watch this teacher video to illustrate and label one living thing and its basic needs like food, water, air, and shelter or space to grow. One more time, repeat these needs with me. Food, water, air, shelter or space to grow. Today in your illustration, you have to show me a living thing. And where does it get food, water, air, and does it have place to grow? Let's start with my example. Do not copy. Just like always, we begin our journal entry with today's date. Do you remember today's date? It's the last day in March. Give me a 3 for March, a 31 for the last day, and we're still in 2021. Everybody will have the date. Once you have the date, you're ready to illustrate one living thing. Please put your pencil down and watch me illustrate my living thing. Do not copy my living thing. You cannot have the same answer as me. See if you can guess what I'm drawing. It's not a llama. What do you think I drew? Roof, roof. A dog. I'm going to label it D-O-G. Whatever living thing you decide, do your best picture and then give me a label. But you cannot draw a dog. Listen close. You cannot draw a dog. I have a dog. After I show my one living thing, next I have to show its basic needs. Where does this dog get food, water, air, and does it have shelter or space to grow? All of these things need to be in my journal with a label. So first, food. Where does a dog get food? Food. From a big bag from its owner. It has a food bowl. Next, it also needs water to drink. It gets water from its owner too. Next on my list is air to breathe. Air is invisible, so you can't really see it, but I'll show some wind details. This dog is breathing. And last is shelter or space to grow. My dog has a bed to sleep in. Dog bed. And a dog house outside if it's raining and my dog needs to stay dry. Dog house or its shelter. Check out my picture and let's make sure I have all of my dog's basic needs. First, my living thing is a dog. I have a dog, I have a label. Next on my list, it needs food. Does my dog have food? Check. Next on the list, it needs water. Does my dog have water? Check. Third on the list is air to breathe. Does my dog have air to breathe? Oh, but I forgot my label. Add air. Air for my dog. And last is shelter or space to grow. My dog can be safe in its dog house from the rain and comfy in its bed inside. It has space in its bed to move and to grow, and in its house to stay warm and to grow some more. I have all my dog's needs. I have my labels done. I'm ready to color. It is now your turn. Step 1, think of a living thing. Be creative. What's your favorite? A turtle? A cat? A mouse? A llama? A lion? Start with your animal or your plant and give it a label. Next, step 2, what does that living thing need? Where is its food, its water, its air, and its shelter or space? Add your pictures and add your labels. Use your list right here to check you have everything you need in your illustration. When you have all of your animal's needs, you'll be ready for color. When your picture has a date, a living thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 needs, and lots of color, you'll be ready to take a picture and upload to your teacher in Google Classroom. Remember, you cannot draw a dog today. Be creative. Look outside. What animals or plants do you see out there? What's living outside? Or look in a book at one of your favorite living things. Or close your eyes and just think. What is a living thing you love? Show me, color, then add the needs of that living thing. Don't forget your labels. Good job. Take your time. Do your best. I'll see you later, alligators. Ooh, draw an alligator. That's a good living thing. Adios.